What up guys, my name is Arrival and today we're gonna look into how to make this Dylan Brady Needleguy bass. I was scrolling and I stumbled upon this video. And the ID just got fucking stuck in my head for a fucking long time. So I wanted to remake it and maybe teach you guys something, cause I heard it's just 2 saw waves and we're gonna make a new patch from scratch that rhyme. So we have our Serum 2, my favorite friend, my only friend. We wanna turn on 2 saw waves and then we want filter 1 and the second filter. The first filter will be filtering the first saw wave, the oscillator A, and the second filter will be filtering the second saw wave. Here lies the secret. We want a forman filter. Yes, this is what makes the EOI sound. And that's basically it. It's just about fine-tuning after that. But don't worry guys, these 2 presets will be free for you to download in my description on my Patreon just for free. Yeah, so let's fine-tune it. We want to put LFO 1 on forman 1, put the resonance to the mics and put LFO 1 to the first cutoff. Then we want to adjust the rate of LFO 1 to 1/2 and we have something like this. I'm gonna make it more louder, gonna add a bit of distortion and compressor. Yeah, we have the delay llama. And it's all about fine-tuning. So we want to make some sort of LFO shape here, which looks like this, which makes the IOI sound. Yeah, something like this, I think. And we can also put the LFO 1 to the forman of forman filter. But not that much. And it's almost there. There is actually one thing that's happening which is really interesting. It has automated pitch by 2 semitone down. So let's make the automation just like this and copy it. And this makes the uncanny vibe, you know. Yeah, and then we can start post-processing it more. We can add some sort of bit crash. Let's add filter, select here sample hole, put it to like 5000 and decrease the wetness. Then in the original we can hear some sort of noise, but I don't know if it's just white noise, so I added just the basic AC hum and put it to like 4%, maybe more. So now we have this. Now it's just fine-tuning from here. You know, we want to add some sort of EQs. Another main thing is here the erosion. Oops. Now it's only fine-tuning by tweaking these EQs to be the same thing. We have the main patch for the ID. And that's all. And one funny thing, the second patch is basically the same, but just a different forman filter here in Serum 2. This is the first one. And the second. So yeah, that's all. And if you want these presets, these accurate presets, they will be for free on my Patreon, even with these EQs. If you have Ableton, if you don't have Ableton, the sound will be not that accurate, but I think it's good enough. I can't give you these samples because they are actually AI separated, so I didn't bother remaking the drums. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed this video and you can support me on Patreon. Thank you. Bye.